only 3 years of catering business, we don't have what you call this supplier, but we think also to have some suppliers after a long time of catering business. Opportunities new in the market, and then threats. Our threats is too many competitors. Next. Marketing strategies, we include flyers, internet. When Gusto will be having our own website, which is www.whengusto.multiply.com, which can help us to spread our name in the market and for them to easily contact us for reservations and some other business agreements. Of course, the word of mouth. Word of mouth of every employee is when Gusto will be using strategy word of mouth. This is the most easiest and the cheapest way to promote the business. We'll promote our business by ourselves, by our employees, by telling the background as well as the history and the quality of the service of this catering. This can be the best way of spreading that the name When Gusto is the best catering in their minds. Banners and streamers. One way of spreading our name, including our logo. When a client will see our logo beside the PowerPoint, they can easily say that when Gusto have the quality service, so we get the quality service in affordable price. So we can easily spread out our names. Unique marketing strategies. If we think of one unique marketing strategies, which is overpass advertisement. We would like to put our advertisement on it because nowadays a lot of people travel. It is a cheap way on spreading our name because we did not pay to some hotels, some other restaurants to have our logo and have our different names. Then we also have our marketing strategies include to our package is the party planner, which different catering service have no planner, and so they will pay to different wedding planner and different, but in this catering service we include our party planner. Marketing policies. Of course, we honor seniority discounts. If 70% of the clientele are senior citizens, any of the package of the menu is available for a minimum of 150 packs. And we have our computation for this. We include 10% discount for our senior citizens. Religious considerations. Of course, price reduction of the menu shall be applied especially for Muslims. They did that, it works as well.
Jer.
Next, the work schedule. We include work schedule for this night, this event, the JS Promenade night. Time of our meeting place. Our assembly time is 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. The personnel of all of the personnel. 9:01 a.m. to 4 p.m. setting the venue. 4:01 to 5 p.m. delivery of foods for the venue, which the driver responsibility. 5:01 p.m. to 6 p.m. all foods are delivered and ready as well as the venue and staff. 6:01 p.m. to 8 in the evening, start of the program, the JS Prom. 8:01 to 11 p.m. foods are served. Then 11:01 to 12 midnight is the pre-closing time. Then 12 midnight to 1 a.m. the closing time. Rules and regulations, we would like to call on our function manager. Rules and regulations. The caterer will not be responsible for the excess number of guests. So 1 week or 2 weeks before the event, they should inform us if we will add some products, some packages in their package. Then arrangement of additional guests must be informed at least 5 days. 5 days before the event. The change of additional person still depends on the established rate and final payment is prior to change. Event should be done by on the time agreed by both parties. The caterer has the right to add charges for events running beyond time agreed upon. Balance should be paid 5 days prior to the event. Next is unpaid account should be charged an interest rate of 1% per month or the maximum amount permitted by the law. In the event that the caterer must seek legal remedies to complete execution of this contract, the client agrees to pay all reasonable authority fees. The client should ask permission to the caterer before bringing any food on the premises. Caterer has the right to substitute an available item or to exceed reasonable market cost, but should be controlled to the client first. Any rented property that has been damaged by the client should be paid and vice versa. The caterer should not be responsible for the failure of service due to technical failure, caterers controls such as calamities and government regulations. If the customer requests menu, for example of this rule, for example, the customer wants the soup from the set A to the set B. Well then, the menu is subject to price increase or price decrease. Our catering contract, including our name, the event, then the customer's name, the full address of the customer, the client, time of function, beginning and the end. Locations of the function, home telephone, cell number, office, email, type of function should be filled by the client. Agreement, reservation should be made 1 month before the event. Deposits, there is a 50% of the total amount on all events unless prior agreements have been made with our catering coordinator. We only accept cash. Guarantees, the coordinator must be notified to bid exact number for which you wish to guarantee services for not later than 5 working days before the event. In the event a guarantee service number is not received, the organizational estimated attendance will be prepared and charged. The charge for each additional person set up at patron's request will be made, and patron agrees to pay at caterer's established rate depends on the changes of the money. Taxes. All applicable state and local taxes will be imposed and paid by the client. If the client's organization, but the taxes are include to our packages. Then the cancellation, if the client cancels a contracted food and beverage event and or facility, the caterer can retain all or a portion of retainer fee as liquidated damages. At least only 30% of the deposits can redeem. Additional tax, only 10% of the total tax will be returned. This should be filled up by the caterer and the client. Our set menu, for the discussion of our set menu, we would like to call on our function manager. Okay.
Okay, for our set menu, we chose bread and shrimp meat tea for our appetizer, cream of mushroom soup for our soup, potato salad for our salad. For entree, we selected 4 different type of food. We have seafood, chicken, pork, and beef. For seafood, we have grilled fish with tomato lime salsa, chicken, Korean beef, spare ribs barbecue, and beef strip with teriyaki sauce. For our dessert, we have berry banana split.